Come on, right, this is going to be tight. Let's go for it though. Oh, fuck, shit, balls, fuck. I think that's probably as far as we'll go. Flick that bitch back out. Oh, job is a squibbly-dibbly-doo one. I don't know what the hell that meant. Oh, God. Emmy Cole. This Mini, I think she's called Emily colon, Emily's colon, Emily's colon. You know what I want to do? I want to show that on my number plate that I have a colon. Oh, that's sick. I mean, what's the point? What is the difference? Give him a little rev bomb.